Kadung wena chini lo, kupia porsi litung, hem irip, kaci ukang nang ten, kacong dadam nang make, kadung kowe pinilang tundak itu arisu ejang, tum anda chini ya lo. We don't have employment in Minus. Sakuri tunglongli, unemployed ang say. Lutang te, every children, every youth has a dream that I want to become an employee. Lasuma thasi litu makorte Samuel ar sangma Roji ar marak tunke mesen long si sai ta juklem dun long lo. Litu mengjir ke aviation industry long si sai claim dun long lo. Iklem dun long menhada itu mang ke pudang tu bilo litu dead body abang ar pun si masong jo. Lasi litu ning duk ke bikang jang labang so alang litu ma fran ke dam ju lagi na litu garu a community dun le a loss of Kalilu. It is a loss for the whole tribe of Northeast India. Kasi ningduk tepi kanjang. Kasi ini tu non kinai bang kelahin lo. Non head jong tuarang lapel. Karbi oso itu sumila rong hang pita aprandam ju. Upikor lo aprandam ju ke. Just to pursue his formal education. School away itu long mesen school away. Job avenues away. Business ka claim the opportunity to nohok ta long highway hai to nikuna lo itu bido bukan bang hai dam nang ko lasi sumila rong hang pile to tam apran dam lason taxi uncountable anil to tribal suma forte injin to apran kina ku people lo one said itu kipuna Northeast along itu part of Northeast always an Indian we are Indian sida itu bang han ke kaita atrocities lason lok kasi tumare napachi. Lastly, Government of India, Parliament of Papaslo, 1978, SC/ST, Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention and Atrocities Act, laso ek simar. Ha 1978, meaning it in 2021. Till now, the government of India, the state government, would not implement such this act. Before we implement me that care, ili tumphan ekirai aron ain kala daksi tumhanang bibilo. A ek non son CAA goson a ek bang kala tali tumhan smart below. Just to protect border, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Tidak halas so ek bang implement me that. Lastly, atrocities of Bangke, it's very clearly we have seen. Even the videos along that, Dr. Samarsi Samuel Bangkareng Pasul. That is one of the atrocities. Apart from that, medical treatment and joining, kaprek penalang untuk ham suicide to the boy joining and cool-blooded murders langsung claim them. Lastly, it's a good message we are going to pass from Bithung constituency to the whole of Northeast, till Haryana, till central government, state government, untuk ambil perang korupsi di Matal. So I thank all the Garo Student Union President, Secretary, members, Garo Cultural Society, Garo Sahitya Sabha, and all the youths present here for being here to extend the solidarity to get justice for the family members of Samuel R. Sangma and Rosie R. Sangma. So with that, I'm a part of this